So, welcome to another video. My wife's car, the Renault Zoe, is a bit dirty. So I wanted to try out a brand I've heard a lot about from Koch Chemie. Koch Chemie aus Unna in Deutschland. And this is my first time trying this Koch Chemie product on my cars at all. I have never worked with them before, but there seems to be quite a strong community that really like these type of products. So I've gotten the Koch Chemie Green Star, which is an all-purpose cleaner. And I wanted to see how this foams on the Renault Zoe. Yeah, and then specifically in a high pressure washer by Lidl. And of course it's not the snow foam, dedicated snow foam product, but since this car is so dirty, I wanted to test out its cleaning capabilities. So I've loaded up my snow foam cannon, and there's 1 liter of water in there. And we're going to try out different types of quantities to see how they foam up. Here we go, los geht's. So, Koch Chemie aus Unna, Deutschland in a 1 to 20 dilution. Yeah, let me know what you think, but as you can see it's falling down immediately. And now let's try this in a 1 to 10 dilution on this paint to see if it foams up better. Sehr schön. Unna Tick 2, Deutschland. Ah ja. Ah, sehr schön. And this is what I'm talking about. Yeah. Look how beautiful this is. I've said it before. Snow foam is like a real mindfulness. And as you can see, although it's dripping down the car very fast, you can see that it stays on much longer. And I think the 1 to 10 dilution is much better than the 1 to 20. I mean, it doesn't take too much extra product, but you get way more cleaning capabilities. And I can let this dwell for a while, and it'll really clean up the car. Sehr schön. Now let's try the 1 to 5 dilution. So, yeah, and that's really the strongest, so I don't think I should be leaving this on the car too long. But this will really help to clean up all the stuck dirt like bird poop, tree saps. I think I can even do the wheels with that, because it's that strong. Let's try it out and see what it looks like on the car. Alright, Koch Chemie aus Unna, Deutschland. Take 3, los geht's. Yeah! It's even going on my camera a bit, but as you can see, this is really beautiful. It's really covering the whole car. And I think if you want some really strong pre-wash, putting this in I think the 1 to 10 is good enough. You can really have the self-cleaning capabilities of the pre-wash of this Koch Chemie. And then, yeah, if your car is super dirty, you can go 1 to 5, but I think 1 to 10 is the sweet spot. I'll continue to do the rest of the car and show you the final result. Sehr schön. So I think it's absolutely beautiful, a fantastic summer pre-wash. Now I can just hand wash my car and it'll be super clean. Dust-free, dirt-free, bird poop, tree sap-free. I think the Koch Chemie is really nice to have if you need it a little bit stronger than your normal pH neutral snow foam. Yeah, this is my first time using Koch Chemie products on my car. It's a nice experience. I like the product. I think I can see why many people appreciate it so much in this car wash and detailing community. Let me know what other product I should buy next from my money from Koch Chemie to also give a try. Please subscribe to my channel. Wishing you a fantastic summer with nice clean cars and memories. Looking forward to seeing you in my next video. Auf Wiedersehen!